Before we started music, we had Ace and Sour. I saw the truth, would turn it down, then I heard the sirens. I pull over, man, but I keep it silent.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for supporting me on this journey. This vlog is going to be consisted of me putting the BC coils on the IS300, and yeah, it took a while to get them. So now we're on our way back to the house. I had to make a quick food shopping and get some quick like a hammer that I didn't have, like a rubber mullet, and some gloves because I'm tired of dirtying my hands. That shit is just annoying. Let's see how today works out. It's what, 5 o'clock right now. So let's see what I can get done before the end of the night. I work at 7 a.m. tomorrow, so I'm not trying to stay too late. And plus, I gotta make a trip to Davenport, like I mentioned before, to get Jeff's Q50 wheels in order to put it on my car. Hopefully, to get the car running by tomorrow. Okay, so this is how it comes. Shit, disregard. I got a small spot here. So let's go open this. So it's a box inside of the box. Yep.
What is in here? Ooh, these are parts for the car?
Cool.
These are parts for the car?
Yes, sir. So this is how they come.
Yo, what's this for?
This is the suspension of the car. Got it?
This ain't heavy. Look.
Yep.
It's ain't heavy.
So I'm not sure if you guys see it, but that's not supposed to be like that. There's a whole gap, so the coilover was moving back and forth. So these were 12s, these two, and then this is a 13. So we're gonna take those out.
Yeah.
Yep, that's the one. All right, perfect. So, all right, hey guys. So this is the day 2 of installing the coils. Oh, there you go. So this is the old one that was on it, some Rev 9s. So literally it took me probably about 30 minutes, I would say. I had an issue with this bolt. Looks like even the bushing was gone. It's Wednesday now. I just got out of work, so I'm gonna work on this side now, which is giving me an issue. I have my impact gun, but for some reason this bolt is not coming out at all. This is another piece that was attached like this. So that was a 12. Took it out, 2 screws, and then these are 13s. Such an odd number. I was able to get it out. I dropped the 3 bolts from the top hat, and then it dropped. And then it gave me enough leverage to kind of get my impact gun here. I don't think I said it in the video, it didn't record, but so my issue was I didn't have space to kind of get the nut out because of the sway bar. But what I did is I just took, like I said, took out the 3 bolts from the top hat, it dropped, and I was able to get my gun in and take it out finally. Let me show you guys. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, I had no bushing. And my car was going back and forth, and I was trying to figure out why my car was driving so funny since I bought it. Let's see what else. Something fell, and I'm trying to figure out what fell. Oh, where's the bushing? All right, so what I'm doing right now, I'm adjusting the coil. I'm just spinning this all the way up. It will spin it to your right, and it would loosen, and then Since I'm doing it outside of the car because it's just brand new, I was gonna do it while it's on the car. Each to his own. This is my first time doing it, so I'm gonna do one outside, and the other side I'm gonna do it while it's on the car. All right, so we got the BC in. We adjusted the height. I put it at a 2.5, and I'm gonna get my jack to try to pick it up to try to get it screwed on, or I will do the opposite. So, cause that looks way off. Just jacked it up. Jacked up from here, got it in. The only thing that gave me a problem was probably the brake line right here. I believe it's the ABS sensor. That gave me an issue because the screws that come with BC is a little too small. So I didn't know how to kind of maneuver it to keep this with this bracket and that bracket. There's not enough thread, so I try to screw it in as much as possible. That was a 22. The one over here, and on the opposite side with the nut is it's a 19. If you guys can see, that's how I was driving. So I don't know what the last owner did. That's a 15. All three of those. So I'm gonna take those three out. Hey guys, so this is day 3. The only reason it's taking me so long to do this is because I have very few hours in the day to kind of get everything done. Oh shit, very few hours to get things done during the day. So I'm doing the installation by myself as well. I got the 2 coils removed, the previous ones in the front on day 1. Day 2, I got the fronts installed finally. So I got the fronts installed, got the stocks on. They got fat ass tires, thanks Jeff. So I'm gonna get those replaced with some low profiles just to give it a better look, because they're gonna be my dailies for now. I almost lost these. These came out of right here because they came with a zip tie.